Space. It's dark, it's empty, and it is infinitely weirder than science fiction gives it credit for. You might know that the sun is hot and Jupiter is big, but that is kindergarten stuff. Welcome back to Random Top 10s. Today, we're leaving Earth behind and diving into the terrifyingly awesome void. Get ready to have your mind bent, because here are 10 wild facts about space that you probably didn't know. Let's launch. Number 10, space smells like a burnt steak. We usually think of space as a vacuum with absolutely nothing in it, including air to smell. But astronauts returning from spacewalks consistently report a very distinct odor, clinging to their suits and equipment once they're back in the airlock. They describe it as seared steak, hot metal, or welding fumes. Scientists think this is caused by high-energy vibrations of particles getting sucked into the airlock, which is basically the smell of dying stars. Number 9, a day on Venus is longer than its year. This one sounds like a riddle, but it's just physics being weird. Venus rotates incredibly slowly. In fact, it spins in the opposite direction of most planets. It takes Venus roughly 243 Earth days to complete one full rotation on its axis, one Venusian day. But it only takes about 225 Earth days for Venus to orbit the Sun, one Venusian year. So, if you lived on Venus, you'd celebrate your birthday before the sun set twice. Number 8. There are rogue planets floating alone in the dark. Not all planets orbit stars. Some were violently ejected from their home systems during their formation and now drift aimlessly through the interstellar void. They are called rogue planets. They are completely dark, frozen worlds wandering the galaxy alone forever. Scientists estimate there could be billions of these lonely ghosts just in the Milky Way alone. Number 7. The Apollo footprints are still there and will be for millions of years. The moon has no atmosphere. That means there is no wind to blow dust around and no water to wash things away. The footprints left by Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and the other Apollo astronauts are virtually unchanged from the moment they were made over 50 years ago. Unless a meteorite happens to hit that exact spot, those prints will likely remain perfectly intact for millions of years. Number 6. Sunsets on Mars are blue. On Earth, our atmosphere scatters blue light, making the sky blue during the day and sunsets orange and red. Mars is the opposite. Because of the fine reddish dust suspended in the thin Martian atmosphere, the red light gets scattered, allowing the blue light to penetrate more directly near the sun. So the red planet actually has blue sunsets? Number 5. You actually grow taller in space. If you've ever wanted another inch or two of height, just book a ticket to the International Space Station. On Earth, gravity is constantly compressing your spine. In the microgravity of orbit, that pressure releases, and the gel-filled discs between your vertebrae expand. Astronauts can grow up to 3% taller during a long mission. That's about 2 inches. Sadly, gravity squishes you right back down when you return to Earth. Number 4. There is a planet made largely of diamond. About 40 light-years away sits a planet called 55 Cancri e. It's twice the size of Earth and orbits incredibly close to its star. It's rich in carbon and superheated. Scientists believe that the intense pressure and heat on this planet have compressed that carbon into a diamond core. It's estimated that a third of this planet's mass could be pure diamond. It's the ultimate jewelry heist waiting to happen. Number 3. A neutron star is mind-bendingly dense. When a massive star dies, it can collapse into a neutron star. These things are insanely dense. Picture a star twice the mass of our sun, squeezed into a ball only about 12 miles across, the size of a city. To put that in perspective, if you could scoop up just 1 teaspoon of neutron star material, it would weigh about 6 billion tons. That's about the same weight as Mount Everest, fitting in a spoon. Number 2, space is not completely silent. We've all heard the tagline, "In space, no one can hear you scream." And it's true that sound as we know it needs air to travel. But space isn't empty. It's full of plasma and charged particles. NASA has sonified data captured by various probes, converting plasma waves and radio emissions into audible sound. The result? The universe sounds like a collection of spooky howls, eerie whistles, and terrifying ambient drone music. Forget Earth's oceans. Astronomers discovered a massive vapor cloud floating in deep space that holds 140 trillion times more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Where is it? It's surrounding a supermassive black hole called a quasar, about 12 billion light years away. It is the largest and oldest collection of water ever discovered in the universe. So, diamond planets, spooky noises, and enough water to drown a galaxy. Space is absolutely insane. Which one of these facts blew your mind the hardest? Let me know down in the comments. I really want to know if you guys prefer the diamond planet or the rogue planets. If you enjoyed getting your brain melted, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to Random Top 10s and ring the bell so you never miss a new list. Thanks for watching and stay curious.